I'm Dr. Romano, professor of organic chemistry here at Romano Scientific in New York and the creator of the DAT Destroyer book and the Orgoman products. I am here today with Professor Louis Blois. He's a mathematician and he's going to go over some really good problems on function notation.
Function notation.
All right,
yes.
Professor, go for it.
Okay, here we go. If f of x equals quantity x plus 3 squared, then find the expression for f of x minus 5. All right, so function notation, I know I have this expression, f of x equals x plus 3 squared. Now here's the way I like to teach function notation. Whatever x is replaced with on the left side in the definition of the function and the notation for the function, it's replaced with the same quantity, same expression or number on the right side. So if you want to, you can replace x with a dot, and I know that on the right hand side, wherever the dot appears, you're going to replace it with the replacement value over from the left side. So what do we want? We want the expression for f of x minus 5. And if I replace the dot with x minus 5, what do I get? X minus 5 plus 3 squared. Let's simplify that. That's equal to x minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So it's x minus 2 squared. Now, some students may hastily write the incorrect expansion for x minus 2 squared, but if you do this carefully, x minus 2 times x minus 2, you will see if you FOIL it out, it's going to be x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. I'll let you figure out the first, outer, inner, last, and the final result is x squared minus 4x plus 4, and there we are. It is selection D. All right, next problem with function notation. Given the function f of x is x squared plus 16. If m is a positive number such that f of 4m is equal to 4 times f of m, what's the value of m? All right, so we're going to evaluate this. We have f of 4m is going to be what? Well, we have x squared plus 16, so instead of x, I'm going to replace x with 4m. 4m quantity squared plus 16, which is equal to 16m squared plus 16. All right, now what's 4 times f of m? Well, f of m itself is m squared plus 16, and therefore 4 times that is 4m squared plus what's 4 times 16? It's going to be 64. So these two quantities are equal to each other. So it becomes a very simple algebraic problem. 16m squared plus 16 is equal to 4m squared plus 64. Very simple algebra. We subtract 4m squared from both sides to get 12m squared. We'll subtract 16 from both sides to get what? 64 minus 10 is 54. 54 minus 6 is equal to 48. So divide both sides by 12. We'll have m squared is equal to 4. And m could be plus or minus 2. But we're asked in the original question, m is a positive number, so I know that m is equal to positive 2, and there's our solution to that problem. Okay, and now let's go to the third one. Given f of x equals 5x plus 4, and h of x is equal to x squared, two functions, two different definitions. If m is a positive number such that f of 6 equals h of m plus h of 3, find m. Okay, this is very, very convenient. We'll first evaluate f of 6 by replacing x with 6 on the right-hand side of this. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 4 is 34. And what's h of m? H of m is equal to m squared, and h of 3 is equal to 3 squared, which is 9. So I'm given this expression, f of 6 is equal to h of m plus h of 3. F of 6 is equal to 34. H of m is equal to m squared. And h of 3 is equal to 9. Okay, we just made simple replacements. We'll subtract 9 from both sides. 34 minus 9 is 25. M squared is 25, so M could be plus or minus 5. But we're told in the question M is a positive number, so I know I make the choice that M is positive 5. And there's our solution, and there's our little exercise in function notation.
Very well done. I hope everybody got some good understanding on that. That's a sure bet question to appear on the DAT and the OAT exam. All right, I'll see you in the study group. Good day to you. Bye-bye.